There are multiple ways to create a flat lock on the Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S400 Serger. So flat locks actually can be done on two sides. So depending on which side you want showing, you can have it flatten out and have kind of the overlock showing, or if you flatten it out and have the needle thread showing, it looks like little ladders. And on this side, we've even taken ribbon and wove it up through the stitches in between each of those seams. So there's lots that you can do with it. Today, we have the serger threaded with the outside needles. We have the left needle in. I have decorative thread that we have tied on and pulled through. It's in the upper looper, and then just normal thread in the lower looper. So to make this actually stitch and then open flat, you have to have your needle tension at 0. So the first thing we're going to do is turn that to 0. The next thing is I mentioned that there's decorative thread in here. I actually have a very thick Razzle Dazzle by Ricky Timms, one of my favorites to use in a serger. I love to use this for bobbin work in my sewing machine, and it has a shine. It's got the fun little shimmer to it, so I love that. And it's just the right thickness, not too thick, not too thin, and it works really well. But the serger doesn't know that there's thick thread in there, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen that tension to allow for those discs to open up a little bit more to allow that thicker thread through, just so it has got a chance. Down here, down at the lower looper, we're going to give that a little bit of tighten. And how much? Well, it kind of just has to be tried out. Now, a flat lock can actually be stitched and cut off. It is okay to cut off this fold. Some people will run the fold right next to the knife, and that's okay too. But I want to show you, you can actually do it and cut that off. So if you're evening up edges, it's kind of like a sewing machine stitch, but it'll be decorative. So this is what it'll look like. I have that Razzle Dazzle in the upper looper, and then back here, all I see is, what? Pink thread. Pink thread's my needle. I have no visual of the green. That lower looper, it's actually sitting right on the edge in between those two stitches. But because that needle thread is so loose, watch what happens. I'm going to kind of do this slowly. You can kind of see that it will flatten out. So right now I had put fabrics that were wrong sides together and stitched, and this would allow the decorative stitching to be on the wrong side. If I wanted the ladder to be my pretty side, I would have positioned the fabrics wrong sides together, and then those pretty sides would have opened up, and that was where I took that ribbon and with a little guide to guide it through and slipped it underneath all those stitches. So depending on which way you go, depends on which way you'll see your fabric, and don't forget to think before you stitch. But the concept is getting it to open up perfectly flat, and that's why they call it a flat lock.